Hello, and welcome to another episode of Tiny Twin Kitchen. Let's get started. We're going to start with the rice. More of this white rice.
Focus, Will.
Will, is your yoga class the most popular yoga class? It's actually not. Oh. Alright. Are you ready for this? That is the exact right shape. I'm mashing the seaweed. It's an ancient process. Sabrina, say hi. Hello. Hi. Oh, now I mashed it too. Sabrina, you fool. It's the perfect shape. And now, Sabrina is going to make the rice balls. It doesn't feel like rice. It is rice. It is rice. Feel it and know that it is rice. Who is to say that we are not Jiro? I am. Surprise. Special guest Jiro. Jiro, what are you dreaming of? Not this. You were just saying of my literal penis. What do you dream of now? Jiro, what did you dream of yesterday? Sushi. Jiro, what?
Throughout the majority of
And now,